Another math lesson, kindergarten. We're going to dive right into our new math thinking job. Today, when you leave math, your teacher and I want you to be able to describe two objects as being the same, but having something different. Yesterday, we spoke about objects being exactly the same and not exactly the same. So today, we're going to focus on objects that are the same, but also describing how they are different. So let's read our I can statement. I can describe two objects as these are the same, but. Go ahead and point to yourself and repeat after me. I can describe two objects as these are the same, but. So we're going to dive right into our objects, and we're going to talk about how they are the same. Then we're going to come up with describing words of how they are different. Who is ready to find out the objects that we're looking at today? All right, here we go. The sentence stem that we are using today to start our sentences is, these are the same, but. All these objects that you'll see are the same, but we're going to describe how they are different. On your screen, you're looking at two rubber balls. These are my dog's toys. They both squeak. I want you to take a moment while your teacher pauses the video and think about, how are these the same? Your class is going to talk about how these are the same. How can we describe them as being the same? You might have come up with, these are the same because they both squeak. These are the same because they are the same size. These are the same because they both have pointy things. But today, our math thinking job is, how are they different? We know they are the same, but how can we describe them as being different? Your teacher is going to pause the video and talk about how these are different. Your teacher is also going to look out to see if anyone has their hand up and maybe want to take a chance on describing how these balls are different. You may have come up with these, describing these balls as being different because these are the same, but this one is red and this one is pink. Did you guys come up with that? They have two different colors. They are the same, but this one is red and this one is pink. They are two different colors. Let's move on. On your screen, you see an object that you might use for school. Do you know what this object is? You got it. It's a pencil. We all use pencils to help us write. Let's talk about how else they are the same. We know that they're both pencils. Your teacher is going to pause the video and talk about how these are the same. You might have said these are the same because they're the same color. You might have said these are the same because they both have a pointed tip. But our thinking job today is to describe how they are different. So your teacher is going to pause the video and discuss with you how they are different. I want you to start thinking of how you could describe how these pencils are different. Your teacher is going to look out for hands raised. Remember, you are saying the sentence stem, these are the same, but. You might have said, these are the same, but this one is longer, this one is shorter. This one is longer, this one is shorter. That means they are different sizes. You may also have said, These are the same, but this one is skinnier and this one is fatter. Let's move on. In a moment, your teacher is going to pause the video and you're going to get a chance to respond to these questions. We're looking at 3 different objects, but only 2 of these objects are the same. You need to discover which objects are the same. Then those 2 objects have a difference. How are they different? You're going to use your words. These are the same, but this one is blank and this one is blank. So your teacher is going to pause the video and talk about which one objects are the same and how they are different. Well, we know that these 2 objects are hearts. So I'm sorry, Mr. Smiley Face, but we're not talking about you today. These are the same, but this one is, great job. This one is bigger and this one is smaller. These are the same, but this one is bigger, this one is smaller. We're talking about their size. Let's try this one. In a moment, your teacher's going to pause the video and ask you the same questions. We're just looking at different objects. What objects are the same? How are they different? Using your words, these are the same, but this one has blank and this one has blank. Well, amongst these 3 objects, we know these are both stars, so I'm sorry, Mr. Pear, but you don't belong today. Maybe next time. We know that these stars are the same, but this one has 5 points and this one has 6 points. This was a tricky one, but I know you guys rocked it and you did a great job describing that these 2 stars are the same, but they have different points. All right. Interesting. 2 cups. We've been spending this time talking about objects that are the same, but really focusing how they're different. I have 2 cups here. Your teacher's going to pause the video, and I want you to ask them, are these cups the same? Do they have any differences? I'm interested to know what you come up with. You're right, they are the same. Some objects that we see are always going to just be the same. There might not be ways to describe how they're different, and that's okay. But remember, today we are focusing on how objects are the same, but describing how they're different. However, there might be objects that are just the same. These 2 cups, they are the same. All right, your teacher is going to cover some more same objects and describing how they're different, but I just wanted to walk you through what the seesaw exit ticket will look like today. Today, you're going to draw a line between 2 objects that match. Then, you're going to record yourself by pushing the little microphone button on the left-hand side of your screen in Seesaw, and you're going to describe using your words. These are the same, but this one is blank and this one is blank. When you're done, don't forget to click the green check. All right, have fun describing how objects are different. See you next time.